Hey there, not so much a car video this time, but a little bit of a camera test here. What I've been using for years now is my Canon HF R70 video camera. And it's kind of getting long in the tooth now, and the shutter doesn't even close anymore. So we've been thinking of getting something different, and then I figured, well, you know what? I did move into the smartphone era last fall. So I have this Samsung cheapy smartphone, which seems to have a pretty good camera in it. So we shot a video. Well, I shot a bunch of videos to test how it worked. A few things that I don't like about it are the microphone is not that good. I mean, it seems to give you this vibrating, low frequency, rumbly kind of noise sometimes. That is actually the exhaust note on the car, but it doesn't really sound like that. It's just what the microphone on this stupid phone is doing. And in the driving section of the video, I used the forward-facing camera so I could actually see the screen in the rear view mirror, and didn't realize that actually turns everything mirror image. So it looks like an English car driving in the English countryside, because the all the traffic's coming on the wrong side of the road. The steering wheel's on the wrong side, the driver's on the wrong side. So yeah, there are a couple of the challenges. One thing that's nice about it is you have a kind of a magnification adjustment. So right now we're on the zoomed out part of it, which is really good because I can stand fairly close to the car and you can see the whole thing. Like I can, before I would have to go to get this shot, I would have to actually go outside the garage, open the window and shoot from the window. But the disadvantage of this is, you can see like it's like the hood looks very curved and stuff because it's basically like a fisheye type thing, I guess. But hey, it works. It's a viable option, but I don't know. I think I'm just going to shop for some kind of new camera. But anyway, here's the video.